In this tutorial, we're going to be able to show you how to track your shared documents using Orangedox. You'll know exactly when each recipient viewed each document, including which pages they viewed and for how long. First thing you want to do is go to orangedox.com and select Get Started. Next, you're going to want to sign in with your Google Drive account. When you do that, we're going to sync Orangedox with your Google Drive. There is no need to add documents to Orangedox. We will automatically pull them from your Google Drive. Secondly, go ahead and select the Share App and Share File. Note there are two different options for sharing. One is secure and one is track only. By track only, we can go ahead and track specifically who viewed what, and each of those users could share that material with other people and forward that document to other people. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and select the file or the folder that you want to share. Finally, you can go ahead and select the person or multiple people that you like to share with, up to 500 recipients at a time. Finally, we can confirm, and by confirming, we are going to go send an email to each of these recipients. So Orangedox automatically will do that for you on your behalf. So here we can see the email, and finally we can go ahead and open that up as if we're the customer. First thing to note is on our custom viewer that we have our custom branding added, and this is something that you can look at in a different tutorial on how to do that. And in this particular case, our document has two different pages, so we can go ahead and preview right online. Back in Orangedox, you can go ahead and see the particular document that you sent out. By clicking on the title, you can go ahead and preview all the people that you've sent it to, including adding other new recipients. Once a recipient is added, they are automatically emailed access to that document. If need be, if say for instance one of your recipients lost the email, they couldn't find it again, you can go ahead and resend that access as needed. Finally, we can go ahead and see some of the metrics that come through. First, we can see that 1 out of the 2 people who we sent the document to view the document. We can see that our demo account viewed it, and they viewed it on one device. If you happen to notice this is viewed on many devices, there's a good chance maybe this person forwarded the document to others. Also, we can see the last time they accessed it, which was today, and we can see more detailed metrics, like how much time they spent on each page of the document. In our case, we spent more time on the first page than the second page. You can also see specifically when exactly they viewed the document, on what exact date, including what time. Another thing to note is if you'd like to go ahead and update the document, all you need to do is go to your Google Drive and simply edit the document, and automatically, within a few minutes, it'll be automatically updated on Orangedox. No need to resend the file again. If you've realized maybe at the last minute that you've accidentally sent the wrong file out and you'd like to disable access, you can simply just disable access, and then anybody who has sent the file now will receive a page not found error. If you have any questions on this, simply go to our help, and there's a tutorial that walks through exactly what we just did in this video tutorial. Thanks.